Right, good morning, guys. I want us to do the following question paper. This is for grade 9. Yes, this is for grade 9. So, in this question, say solve if you are given a question like this, the first thing that you do, you change everything into exponents. Each one has to be written in exponential form. So the first thing is 3 to exponent 2x plus 1 multiplied by 3 to exponent x equals to. When you change 81 into exponential form, you find that 81 is going to be 3 to exponent 4. Then the next step is multiply powers of the same base. What do? You add the exponent. You multiply this, you add the exponent. So it's going to be 3 2x plus 1 plus x equals to 3 to exponent 4. From here, you can add the exponents here and say 3 2x plus x equal to 3x plus 1 3 to power 4. For the sake of space, can I continue this side? So the base are the same. The base are the same. Let me use a different color just to show. The base are the same. We just write the exponents. If the base are the same, we write what the exponents. Let us continue. So we're going to write Lana. It's going to be 3x plus 1 equals to 4. Then it's going to be 3x equals to 4. When you take low and low to the other side, changes the sign, become -1. Then we're going to get 3x equals to 3. Then this is over 3 over 3. Our x is equals to 1. This is how you solve this one. Get your 3 marks. Now let us come to this one. Let's come to, oh, sorry about that. Let me erase first so that we can continue. Okay, come to this one. There we are. Here we're dealing about, here we're dealing about the fractions. Before you even continue, you have to solve this one. Before you even continue. Right, you're going to say x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2x plus 1 divided by 4. Then I'm going to say 2 times 4, it's 8, plus 1, it's 9 over 4. You're going to get 9 over 4. Now we're looking for LCD, lowest common denominator. In order to find it, you can say, we check out the multiples of 4. I'm going to say 4, 8, 12, 14, 15, 16. I think it's 16. Then you check the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. Then this is 15. This is the lowest common multiple, which you're going to use not so long from now. But this one, there's no need to write it in your exam. You just need to know how to find it. So it's going to be 12. I'm going to use this method. I'm going to write 12 here. Then I say 12 divided by 3. What is it? I get a 4. So at 4, then this one, but since we have brackets, then I say 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4, I get what? A 3. I put this minus, then I say 3. then it's 2x plus 1. There we are, equals to, even Alana divided by 12. 12 divided by 4, what do we get? We get a 3 times what? 9. The next step, angisambhalo 12, simbhala just lo phezulu. Ngayisolvela salam futhi la nengifuna. 4 times x, what do I get? 4x. 4 times -2, I get -8. -3 times 2, I get a -6x. -3 times 1, it's going to be -3, equals 2. Then what is 9 times 3? You get a 27. Then from here, you group your like terms. 4x minus 6x equals to 27. This one goes to the other side. It's plus 3 plus 8. I have been talking about this for so long. Anything in about x is left, then the numbers here to the right hand side. What is 4 minus 6? 4 minus 6, it's -2 x. Then now I add 27 plus 3 plus what? 8. 38. I divide by -2. -2. Therefore, because of space, I'm but okay, let me just force it here. Therefore, x is equals to, what is 38 by 2? We get a 19, -19. That's how you solve this problem. Yes, that's how you're going to solve this problem. Let's go to the next one. Okay. This one is 3 marks. This one is 3 marks. What do we do from here? Okay, take out the common factor. What's our common factor? It's going to be 2x. Open the bracket. Then you're going to remain with, okay, just for those who want to understand, I can say 2x squared. If you are struggling to understand the common factor, say divide by 2x. Then you say minus 4x divided by 2x. Open the brackets, and when you close it, then say equal to 0. Then you write 2x. This cancels that. Then x squared divided by x, and divide powers of the same base, subtract exponent. So you're going to remain with x. 4 divided by 2, going to get 2. X cancels x. When you reach this phase, what you do is therefore 2x equals to 0, or x minus 2 equals to 0. There are 2 options here. However, sorry about that. Okay, divide 2, x equals to 0, x equals to +2. However, some memorandum, they don't count this one, they just count this. So it depends on how they are going to mark it. So yeah, this is how we solve question paper like this one. All right, I'm back, guys. The second calculation that I want us to look, this one, part of integers and exponents. So it's a mixture. This one, the laws of exponents says when you multiply powers of the same base, you add the exponent. Basically, just 2, you add them exponent. Maybe 2 plus 1. What is 2 plus 1? It's 3. It's 2 to exponent. Oh, this is 3. I didn't say sorry. This is 3. All right, let me fix this problem. In other words, it's going to say 2, then this is 3 plus 1 equals 2. 2 to exponent what? 4. When you multiply powers of the same base, you add the exponent. That's what I did. The second one, it's when you divide powers of the same base, you subtract the exponent, this one. So what you can do here, you can say 3 to exponent 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5 to exponent 4. And this one is a phezulu. It's going to be minus 3. And it's going to be 3 to exponent 2 multiplied by what is 4 minus 3, get a 1, it's 5 to exponent 1. That's how we do this one. Then we'll come to this one. This one, it's easy. You can just say 2, negative 2. When you, any exponent raised to exponent 0, it's 1. So it's going to be this one plus 1. Learn because it's to exponent 0 is equals to 1. Anything raised to any number raised to exponent 0, it's 1. So this one plus the 2 to exponent negative 2 plus 1. Near 1. What is 2 to exponent negative 2? This one it's 1 over 4 plus 1. Basically, that's what they mean. Sorry. Then from here, what do you do? Fraction over 4. 4 divided by 4, it's 1. Multiplied by 1, it's going to be 1. 4 divided by 1, it's 4. Then times 1, it's going to be, what is it? It's going to be 4. Basically, answer it's 5 over 4. I'm showing all the steps. That's why I wanted to, my steps are mathematics cool. Just trying to show all the steps we can understand. Okay. Let us go to the next one. Okay, let's come to this one. Okay, here we are. This one, also this times that it's 3x. This times that negative 3. Negative 4 times x, I got a negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 2 is plus 8. Okay. The like terms. 3x minus 4. It's negative x. Negative 3 plus 8. Negative 3 plus 8, you get a 5. Plus 5. Unless maybe there's a step of the combo group and then the other step, but yeah, this is how you do it. And this one, it is squared. It's a square bracket. So what do you do? X plus 3. X plus 3. Goes to the answer contain x times x. Apply foil. X times x, it's x squared. x times 3, it's plus 3x. X times this one now, it's plus 3 again. Plus 3x. 2 times 3, it's 9. Plus 4. That's going to be x squared plus 6x. 9 plus 4. That is 9 plus 4. 13. Yeah. From here, ungaqhubeka mhlawumbe ufuna ama-factors akhona-ke aka 13 uzothi nowa add akunikeza u6 factors ka-13. 13 ayinawo ama-factors, it's 1 and 13 yi-prime factor. Is it? Yeah, but phelela la because number is gonna 13, it's 1 and 13. So ayiqhubeki, but kube iqhubeke so simplify more. But iyaphelela kule step this. Size nganakho. I mean i-prime number 13 kodwa-ke I'll explain the whole Moses academic assistance asize la. This is 3 marks lana sizovele sithi 5x to 23. Then this one, 32 times 2 is going to be 4 plus 4x squared divided by 20 x to exponent 4. Let's keep a common factor because if we corner 5, this is 4. Okay. What is amanye amagama le ifana nokuthi ime kanje? What is 5 divided by 20? Divided by 20 is 5 over 2. And 4 over 20, I'm checking something. Okay. Basically, this is like 5x cubed divided by 20 x to exponent 4 plus 4 x squared divided by 20 to exponent 4. 5 over 4, 5 over 20. I mean, 5 over 20, you get 1 over 4. 1 over 4. This is x cubed. X cubed plus 4 over 20. 4 over 20 over 5. X to the power of 2. This is 5. Then from here, my is an phone because what is a simplifying it. Yeah, I think it parallel because those we multiply depending on the cellular the staples, but you're not parallel. That's how we do this one. I think you're parallel on this step. Okay, let's do the other one. Okay, fractions. This one, okay. So for the last common denominator 8. Number again now 6, 3, 2. Total 2 young 6, 3 young 6, 6 young 6, which means automatically 1 6. Can just draw a line and say over 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then I'm going to say 3x plus 2. 6 divided by 3 3, 6, I'm gonna go 2 plus 2. Then I put a bracket. 3 plus x. 6 divided by 6, it's 1. Minus, it's like 1 times 7. Right. 3 times 3, it's 9. 9x. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. X. Oh, sorry, it's 6 without x now. Okay, yeah, it's just 6. Because 2 times 3 is 6. Then 2 times x, it's therefore sigma t. 2x negative 7. Let's group my like terms, okay. Set divided by 6. 9 is going to be 9x plus 2x. 6 plus 6 is 12 minus 7 over 6. 9, 10, 11. This is 11x. 12 minus 7 is 5. This is how we do it. Yes.